This 2027 Forest River Cedar Creek 383FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 5, TV antenna, slide-out, awning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, TV, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. Remember, this is